Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai. First and foremost, I want to give all praises to Yahweh Bashim Shai, and double honor to the apostles and the elders of Great Millstone, and salutation to you, Akim, teaching out in sincerity, and shalom to the elect. I came across this article, which is this is Tuesday, June 21st. Today is the what? This is 23rd now. But it says a federal judge rules Mississippi can be legal discrimination. It says, welcome to Mississippi, birthplace of America's music. No gays allowed. So pretty much they passed a law where that can be legal discrimination against homosexual. You know. So we're gonna read the article, and we're gonna bring out the scriptures through the spirit and power of Yahweh Shai Shai. So it says and this is LGBTQnation.com. It says Mississippi residents and businesses now have a federal judge is okay to begin denying wedding service to same-sex couples based on the religious objection beginning July 1st. And that's just the beginning of what the so-called hospitality state's anti-LGBT law would do. This is from forcing women to wear skirts to restricting transgender students from using gender-appropriate bathrooms. So pretty much they banning homosexuals from up out of Mississippi, you know, and they got the right to do it starting July 1st, which that's a righteous thing. You know, but really, all in all, they supposed to be the homosexual supposed to be put to death. All right. But even though they say this, you know, the elites the elite they gonna come back and approve of that happening. You know what I'm saying? So it says I'm gonna keep reading on it. It says one more federal hearing is all that stands in the way of the law taking effect next month. It's a U.S. District Judge Carlton Reeves on Monday issued a 4-page order rejecting a motion for primarily injunction to stop the law from going into effect. It says Reeves wrote that would be inappropriate since none of the lawsuit plaintiffs will be harmed by the law in the immediate future. Here, none of the plaintiffs are at imminent risk of injury, Reeves wrote. Those plaintiffs include Mississippi residents Nicholas Alford and Stafford Thomas, a gay couple who the Huffington Post reports are engaged to be married within the next 3 years. The American Civil Liberty Union of Mississippi argued that the law violates the 14th Amendment rights. So also named in the lawsuit is at least one of the ACLU's members who court documents show is planning to marry a same-sex partner next year. It says, I'll read a little bit more into it. It says, we are reviewing the options and we will plan our next step accordingly, says Zakiah Summers, a spokesman for the ACLU of Mississippi. It says, Republican Governor Phil Bryant signed the so-called Religious Freedom Law, House Bill 1523 in April. Supporters of the measure declared businesses and individuals who want to exercise their religious views needed such a law in the wake of the Supreme Court decision. This is Obergefell v. Hodges nearly 1 year ago, granting marriage equality in all 50 states. So yeah, that was a few that I read. I'll put the description up in the link in the description box. But we're gonna get into a quick scripture and just basically showing, you know, them not, you know, they trying to fight against that law being passed, because you know there's still homosexuals that's within, you know, like the in those higher class ranks. Like, you know, that you got homosexuals that's lawyers and so forth. That shit is, the secretaries, all up in Mississippi. Just the people in general, just homosexuals all out there. All right. So yeah, let's get into the scripture though, because that's actually a righteous thing for them not to allow homosexuals there. But really, according to the scriptures, they supposed to be put to death. So we gonna bring that out. So I can give it 1 minute. This is Leviticus chapter 20, verse 13. It says, "If a man also lie with mankind as he lieth with a woman, both of them have committed an abomination. They should surely be put to death. Their blood should be upon them." Right. So those homosexuals, if a man lies with a man, he should be put to death. And I also go for a woman too. I'm gonna bring this quick. I'm gonna jump verses in the scripture, but I'm gonna bring it out. It's Romans 1 in I started. At 26. It says, "For this cause the Most High Yahweh, by Hashem Yahushai, gave them up unto vile affection, for even their women did change the natural use into that which is against nature." Right. Women with women. This whole lesbianism. All right. And then in the article, it says it also says it's gonna be, it says right where it says and that's just the beginning of what the so-called hospitality states anti-LGBT law will do, from forcing women to wear skirts to restricting transgender students from using gender-appropriate bathrooms. Right, because that's also the law that the women, the women supposed to be wearing, they're not supposed to wear, man's attire. All right, but back to the scriptures, it says, and likewise also the men leave the natural use of the woman, burned in the lust one toward another. Right, that's men with men, homosexuality. It's a men with men working that which is unseemly, and receiving in themselves that recompense of their error, which is meat, like catching AIDS and so forth, all those type of diseases, But really, that's a demon on them, I'm gonna jump to 32. It says, "Who knowing the judgment of the Most High, that they which commit such things are worthy of death, not only," right, so who knowing that that's going on, isn't that they which commit such things are worthy of death, not only do the same, but have pleasure in them that do them. Right, so if you know that ain't right, but you gonna play the middleman, like, oh, as long as they ain't engaged towards be engaged towards me, it's all right with me. You know what I'm saying? So the Most High said you gonna be destroyed. All right. So that was that's pretty much it on that. Just want to bring this quick article out because I ran into it today, and like I said, I'm gonna put the article in the description box. All right. So with that, I hope y'all been edified. And until next time, I say shalom.